Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is me Akanksha Tammewar and you're tuned to me on my channel Soaring Soul. I think I have very properly named my channel as Soaring Soul because my mind fluctuates from one point to another within seconds. And this fluctuating mind, besides traveling, also loves writing. Along with exploring Aurangabad with Chetak and me, Soaring Soul is coming up with another series called Must Mondays, where every Monday I will be coming up with something different other than traveling and exploring. Beginning to the journey of Must Mondays, this Monday I have lined up something very different which I think I should perform before the camera. Presenting before you all for the very first Must Monday my piece of writing on my journey of 10th and 12th. Hope so you enjoy it. मेरे कल के गुजरे हुए कुछ किस्से हैं आज की मेरी जिंदगी के ये खास हिस्से हैं. कहानी शुरू होती है 2017 इन माई 10th. यूजुअली बच्चे 10th में अपनी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कम कर देते हैं. ऑन द अदर साइड आई वॉज कि मैंने अपनी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज 10th में स्टार्ट की. आई प्लेड क्रिकेट फॉर द स्कूल टीम, सो लेक्चर्स मिस करके प्रैक्टिस को जाती थी. आई अपियर्ड फॉर द इंटरमीडिएट एग्जामिनेशंस, सो ट्यूशन मिस करके ड्राइंग क्लासेस. In the evening, dance class to get a bit refreshed. Cadet थी, so had occasional parade, rallies, events and बाकी family outing, party, get together तो चलता ही था. This was the very first time when I was involved into so many things. बाकी तब तक तो I had a pretty normal school, tuition, home life. Doing this and many other variety of stuff in my life, I felt my life was so colorful. I was too happy into it. हर रात सोने से पहले I had this deep breath of satisfaction. Indeed, like all other parents, my two parents were of thought कि boards है पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दे. But that never mean they didn't allow me to do other things. इन सब अलग अलग एक्टिविटीज को करते करते फाइनली बोर्ड्स आ गए. When you are busy into multiple things, you don't realize how fast time swings and I felt. अभी तो start किया था and now it's done. I tried so many things in my 10th कि माँ पापा, relatives, neighbors, teacher, neither of them thought I would score so good. Prioritizing things at that point, I think I managed to do so. It was 96.4. All those who once told कि तू ज़्यादा ही other activities कर रही है, rather should study now, were appreciating and saying how well I managed everything. After this इतना बड़ा score, it was done कि मैं science लूँगी. So like all other parents, my parents too started for looking for a proper coaching, that is tuition classes. बाकी कुछ भी हो, at that very moment ये तो तय था कि साला आगे इंजीनियरिंग ही करना है, because I was never a bio person. फिर आगे पता चला कि उसमें भी दो ब्रांड्स है, one the IIT and second the plain engineering. अगेन लाइक ऑल अदर पेरेंट्स, मेरे घर वालों ने सोचा 2 साल की मेहनत, IIT क्रैक, फ्यूचर सेट. डैड डिड कन्विंस मी कि 2 साल दे दे एंड यू हैव अ ब्राइट फ्यूचर अहेड. आगे फिर पूरी जिंदगी तेरी जो मर्जी है वो कर सकेगी. जय IIT के नारे लगाते लगाते बोर्ड्स के वेरी नेक्स्ट मंथ फाउंडेशन ज्वाइन किया. फाउंडेशन खत्म हो JEE टारगेट बैच में एडमिशन. JEE टारगेट साउंड्स टू फोकस ना. इस बैच का टाइमिंग 7 to 7. रोज लेक्चर्स, सेल्फ स्टडी, ब्रेक एंड डाउट सेशन. ज्यादा रुक सकते हो पर कम नहीं. एवरी संडे टेस्ट, फिर पेपर डिस्कशन. इन शॉर्ट, रात को अपने घर सोने जाओ और दिन भर मिनी कोटा. ऑब्वियसली टीचिंग कांट बी कंपेयर्ड. सो वेरी फर्स्ट डे सबका इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ. Everyone was standing tall and bright. Hello, I am so and I have scored 98%. Hello, I am this and this and I have scored 99% and many more. All these bright faces were bright until very first Sunday test. Since then नहीं पता 10th का report card कहाँ है. यू फ्रेशर की फ्रेशनेस इतनी थी कि ब्रेक्स में वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस कैंप पास इन कॉलेज फेस्ट. कोई मुझे IIT पवई चाहिए कहता तो कोई आई वांट IIT दिल्ली. और सोचते भी क्या हम सब, वी ऑल वर फ्लोइंग इन द फ्लो. Cut to 1 month later, where I thought to break it. Finally, I sat before my dad and I confessed that if I force myself to do JEE, I will do, but I am not willing to do it. You उस एक साल में I lived so colorful life that I wasn't happy into only a studious life. I cannot, or I think I don't wish to be into only something, rather to be into many walks. Obviously, it was my personal thought, and not all were able to understand. Parents doubted, teachers doubted, and thought this girl has a potential which she is wasting. I took the step, tried explaining Baba, and वो मान गए. Obviously, इतना जल्दी नहीं जितना मैंने कह दिया. Very next day, I left the target batch and joined the regular with 3 hours a day class. When I did this shift, I was myself worried. I told no one, but हर रात सोने से पहले I had this thought कि क्या मैं ये कर रही हूँ ये सही है. At the end मुझे ये नहीं लगेगा ना कि neither I achieved in other activities, ना ही कोई अच्छा कॉलेज मिला. Also, I haven't added anything into my personality. Tossing and tailing through the thought, moving and failing, rising and achieving, I kept on going and going and going, and I'm still going where that inner voice said. I went wherever I felt to go, I did whatever I wanted to do. I did a national camp, many training camp, a personality development camp, wrote poem, stories, played sports, gave boards, grabbed some prizes, traveled a lot, and learned a lot. At the end, lived my life to the fullest. Today, when I look back after my 2 years of journey, मेरे पास IIT की सीट नहीं, but have good enough marks to get admission into a government college. मेरे पास बहुत सारे नोट्स नहीं, बट आई हैव अ स्मॉल लिटिल कॉपी जिसमें खुद की लिखी हुई कुछ कविताएं हैं. याद नहीं, यादें हैं, बात नहीं, कहानियां हैं. और कुछ हो ना हो, खुद पे भरोसा है कि आगे कितनी भी बड़ी मुश्किलें आए, उसे लड़ने का हौसला लेंगे. At the end, I just feel it is not bad to follow what your heart says until you are ready to face the consequences. But do remember, consequences completely depend upon yourself. You physics, chemistry, maths तो साथ वाले सब पढ़ रहे थे. सोचा मैं अपने आप को पढ़ लूं. Thank you. That's it for the very first video of my Must Mondays. I have shared my written piece before you all. So all your suggestions and feedbacks are welcome. Do let me know if you like this and if you want to hear more of this. Thank you.